Hi, welcome to Taught by a Pro, and I'm Tom Bancroft. And today I'm going to be talking about character design, and specifically introduction to character design. First of all, my background is I was a Disney animator for many years, about 12 years, and worked on films from Beauty and the Beast to Lion King, Aladdin, Pocahontas, Mulan, and more. And since that time, the last 12 years I've been doing creating books. I have a couple art instruction books on character design. One is called Creating Characters with Personality, and the other is Character Mentor. I've also created everything from greeting cards to comic books to animation for music videos. I mean, you name it, I've done a little bit of everything. And so that's what I want to kind of instill in Taught by a Pro, is a lot of those kind of lessons that we can get from all over different kinds of media. So anyway, today we're talking about introduction to character design. And what is character design? It's used in about everything, every kind of media that you can think of. So from children's books to TV animation to feature films, we need characters to bring these stories to life. And really that's the heart of it, is what is your character being used for? So whenever I start a project where I have to design a character, I think about that. Okay, how is this character going to be used? Is it a main character? Is it a sub character? Is it a background character? One that you're going to hardly even see, just kind of register in a crowd. All those things matter in that, for some reason, because you may want to consider not making one, not as important, a little bit more average looking if they're going to be in the background. But the main characters really need to stick out and be a memorable character. And that even relates to the personality, but also relates to how you design it. So we're going to be thinking and talk about all those different things. The other thing is that it really starts with an idea. So in this case, what we're going to be talking about is just the basics of design of a character. So we're not really going to get into what the personality of a character is. That'll be a lesson for another time. And then we also won't be talking about really specifically how it'll be used. Is it for a comic book? Is it for a newspaper comic strip? Is it for animation? I just want to talk about the basics of creating a character, because some of those things will kind of bring in new decisions, and some of those other how you're going to use it really does matter on how you design the character. So let's kind of put some of that aside and really just talk about the introduction of the concept of creating a character.